Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase your knowledge base with Udemy, full guide step by step clearly. To increase your knowledge base with Udemy, follow these simple steps. Begin by visiting the Udemy website or downloading the Udemy app on your device. Create a free account by signing up with your email address or using social media accounts. Explore the homepage to get an overview of popular courses available. Use the search bar to find specific topics or skills you want to learn. Filter search results by categories, ratings, or pricing to narrow down your options. Read course descriptions carefully to understand the content and objectives. Check the instructor's profile to learn about their qualifications and teaching style. Look at student reviews and ratings to gauge the course's effectiveness. Once you find a suitable course, click on the title for more details. Decide whether to purchase the course or look for free options. If you choose to buy, complete the payment process to gain access. Start your learning journey by watching video lectures at your own pace. Take notes on key concepts to reinforce your understanding. Engage in course discussions by asking questions or sharing insights. Complete any assignments or quizzes provided to test your knowledge. Track your progress through the Udemy dashboard for better motivation. Utilize additional resources, such as downloadable materials or supplementary videos. After completing the course, review your notes and revisit challenging topics. Consider sharing what you've learned with others to enhance retention. Continue exploring more courses to further expand your knowledge base. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.